What is the wheelman? The wheelman is a center-mounted engine and frame vehicle, supported at each end by a spokeless wheel into which your feet can be inserted while standing upright. How does it work? The learning curve of a wheelman is very similar to skate, snow, surfboard riding. And if you have any experience in these, you will be surprised at how fast you pick it up. At speed, you use body movement to steer, and at low speed, and you can ride a wheelman at an extremely slow pace, you can angle the front wheel from side to side with your foot. The speed is controlled by a cable-type controller held in your hand. The more you squeeze, the more fun you have. To slow down, simply let off of the throttle for a slow, smooth deceleration. To stop quickly, simply pull the brake lever on the handheld control. Tearing up the grass, sliding in the dirt, cruising the beach, that's the wheelman life. Don't be the last on your block to own one. Some common questions. Question number 1, how fast does it go? Answer, the manufacturer spec is 12.5 miles per hour. Which is pretty good on these little scooters. Question number 2, how long does a charge last? How many miles you can run? Answer, you could get 6 miles per charge. But to be on the safe side, since rider weight and terrain will vary, I would say 3 miles to be safe. The factory may also have a larger amp battery option available. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.